Bacon and Egg McMuffin. Ingredients: cooking spray, 12 large eggs, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 12 slices bacon, butter, for English muffins, 12 English muffins, 12 slices cheddar. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Spray muffin tin with nonstick baking spray. Crack eggs into the tin, season with salt and pepper and bake until egg whites are set, 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cook bacon until crispy. Drain and set aside. Spread butter on English muffins and toast in oven until golden brown, about 5 minutes. Assemble sandwiches with egg, cheese and bacon. Heat on oven to eat right away, or wrap in foil. If wrapping, write date and then freeze. Reheat in oven at 350 degrees until warmed through.